Lead, mercury, aluminium? No problem. The cilantro cleanse you didn't know about. Heavy metals like lead, mercury, and aluminium can build up in our bodies over time and cause various health issues. But thanks to cilantro, we now have a natural and effective way to eliminate them. Studies have proven it. Cilantro can remove an average of 87% of lead, 91% of mercury, and 74% of aluminium from the body. Cilantro contains a compound called cilantro oil, which has the ability to bind to heavy metals and remove them from our system. Start incorporating it into your diet today for a healthier you.